How to fix device type unknown on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix device type unknown on Instagram. So the fix for this is really easy. You don't have to do a lot of things. So what we'll first do is we'll head over to our settings and let me head back here. Okay, so after you're on your settings, head over to general. Tap on general and there you'll find an option called iPhone storage. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, simply locate your Instagram. So there it is. Open up your Instagram and then you'll see the option to offload this app. Now as it says right here, this will free up storage used by the app, but it will keep its document and data. So reinstall the app by simply offloading it first. Tap on offload and confirm the offload by tapping on offload app again. After you offload the app, you can simply reinstall it from right here. After reinstalling, your problem should get fixed. If this does not fix your problem, head over to App Store and search for Instagram. So let's search for Insta. And after you search for Insta, you should see, if you see an update option like this, tap on update to update the app, and then just wait for it to update and then open up your Insta and your problem should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.